How to find passwords on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Then scroll down the main list to find and tap on Passwords. Here, scroll down and tap on Open Passwords. Then for security purposes, authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode before you can proceed to your saved passwords. After unlocking, tap on All to see a list of all your saved accounts, sorted alphabetically. You can either scroll through the list to find the website or app you're looking for, or you can use the search bar at the top for faster access. Tap on the account you wish to view. On the next screen, you will see the saved username and the hidden password. To use the password if you have forgotten, simply tap and hold on the password to copy. Now you can use the saved password to log in. Following these steps, you can easily find passwords on an iPhone.